Okay, so here we have a Blood Bowl pitch that I've been 3D printing probably for about 14 days. This comes from the Kraken Studio files. It's got everything from the dugouts to fences. The end zone is something I created myself. These little posts that should have lamps on, but unfortunately I broke two bringing it home. I've just put some of the snotlings I've been painted in the middle. I've still got to paint up the pitch lines, and I'm going to strap this to some board, probably in 4 sections. Most of the fences and spikes are resin, as is the dugout, but some of the billboards, like this big billboard here, some of the little ones I did in PLA, because it just makes it look a bit more sort of woody. Just going to quick scan over these. So all this bit here is resin, except for that post, that's not resin. And all the main tiles are not resin. It just costs too much, but there's some awesome bits in this with the turns and the scoreboards, especially with the little removable numbers, and the second half and first half that can change. I also like this additional bit on the scoreboard with the toilet at the back. I thought it was a nice little quirky touch. As you can see, none of this is fixed yet, because I say eventually it will go onto some boards. The bleachers I actually did in the PLA because I don't know, it just looks a bit rougher, looks more wooden and worn. Obviously I love the little beer tent. I don't know how much of that you can actually pick out. There's a couple of tankards in there, there's barrels at the back, there's sort of a bit of washing up, some other little bits of product in there, and I named it Grog's Beer. Why not? See, that's one of the actual posts with the lamp. It's actually fixed to it. The actual end zones, as I mentioned, something I actually did, and it's just, I just recessed every other square, so the white is not actually painted, it's just the recessed plastic, and then I recessed the lettering into that. Ooh. So, been a fun project to say. I may still paint the little rugby ball in the centre of the pitch, but so I'm now just going to strap this to some boarding in 4 sections, and then once it's strapped down, so everything will be in proper place, I'll draw on or paint on I should say, the white lines. But yep, it's been a fun project, and I can't wait to play some games of Blood Bowl on it. Thanks for watching.